Hey everybody, it's Mr. Sour, and today I went and purchased one of the Trim Daddies. This was the Trim Daddies. There's three different versions. This one is the least expensive one. It's the plug-in version. I know the most expensive one is a cordless version. This one here ran roughly, I believe, right around $130 USD, and I believe the cordless one runs around like 220 range. So I was just gonna open it up here for you, show you what is involved in it. Like I said, I went out and bought one since I do a lot of trimming, so figured it would be a good use of some money. And so this is what is inside it. Obviously, we have the handle part, and then the regulator for how fast you want it to work, the cords and stuff that plug to go to that. And like I said, it's got a nice little foam molded container here. Got some gloves, and then we have the different tips and stuff, depending, I guess, on what you're working with. Like I said, I just got it. I haven't, I'm just first opening it up here with you. I mean, I peeked inside before I did the video, but I didn't go this far. So we got, I guess, the manual here. Which I'm going to have to look at that and see how it works. And so yeah, I'll probably be doing just a short little series here once I get this put together, and I'll go from there. So again, I want to thank everybody for the likes and the subscriptions. I appreciate all the support, and hopefully we'll be back here very soon, or I'll just release a whole series of this all at once and go from there. So thanks again, everybody. Happy growing, and see you on the next one.